guys, welcome back to another fresh video. So we are ready to leave. We are checking out from this room. Just look at what a mess we have made out of this room. So we are ready now. We packed our bags also, and now we are planning to go to Lulu. The problem is like from the hotel to Lulu and Lulu to bus stand is very close. So what we are planning is that we'll take our bags, all our bags now. We'll go to Lulu and then we'll keep our bags somewhere over there, and we'll like roam till 6 o'clock, and at 7 o'clock we have our bus to Goa. So the problem is where we are going to keep these bags. If we keep it in the hotel, like we'll have to just come back and forth to get our bags. So we are just thinking about what we should do. I think the better option is we go to Lulu, keep the bag over there, and then roam freely, and then take our bags and directly board onto the bus. So Malcolm is getting ready now. Like we both are already ready. We are just waiting for him. The time right now is 12:14. So we'll just check out and then we'll meet you outside. So this was the place that we were staying, and like we were staying very close to the metro. That blue color thing that you can see is the metro. Yeah. So we checked out, and now we are going to Lulu Mall. Just like in the morning, when we were waking up, it was raining very heavily, and now you see bright sunshine. Not even a trace of like rain. Yes, so we still need to find a place of where we have to keep our bags. But yeah, we'll go now. So we just got our tickets over here, and we inserted 100. So it is also giving us a change. I thought this was like only digital payments, but even with cash it is giving back the change, exact change. Yeah. So now we are going to Edapally. I think the Lulu Mall is over there only. Yes. So we are waiting for a metro now. So I think it's showing like 4 minutes for it to come. So my friend is a bit sick, and this one is also addicted to phone only. So see, just like he won't be able to sit like for even 2 minutes. Like max to max will be like 30 seconds. Otherwise you'll always see him with the phone. Morning he will just get up, nothing, just nothing. He will start a Free Fire game. He'll check on his nonsense. That too like early in the morning. So today I got up at 7. I could not sleep because yesterday I completed my sleep in the bus only while traveling. I slept like almost half of the journey. Yeah, so we'll just wait for a metro right now. Got down from a metro, and there is a entry right from the metro to the mall itself. So we'll be just taking that. Yeah, so this is the entry to the mall. So that is connecting right to the metro. So like there is a place over here where we can keep our bags. So we are just searching for it. We just asked the guard. So finally we got the baggage counter. So we kept our bags already. Just my friend left to keep his bag. Yes, so we had to say that we are going for a movie. Only then they would allow us like to keep our bags. Come to the food court, but there are so many distinct options here that we are confused about what we should actually be having. So we want to have burgers. Let's see what we get.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so like after roaming the entire we came to Burger King only. So we ordered burgers and wraps. So let it come first. So there's a lot of rush over here. Our order number is 55. It is not showing on the screen also. I think it's already ready, but I don't know why they are not getting it here. Or maybe we'll have to go and get it over there. And these guys are back to their original business. So I'm feeling really hungry because I do not have my breakfast also. In fact, we all do not have our breakfast. So I think I'll only have to go and ask over there. Finally our food is here. Yes. So like it's been almost I think 1 hour that our food is come after. So I ordered Sprite. Just look at the size as compared to this one's.
Black people.
I ordered burger, Malcolm ordered a wrap, and these are fries that are come along. कुछ भी हो जाए, गेम रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. Some amazing talents. Yeah, so we are done eating. So just we need to finish this. There is actually a lot of rush today. I think it's because it's a Sunday. My phone is also like about to die, so I connected it to a power bank. So we'll try and like cover how much we can. We have like 4 hours remaining, and then we have a bus. So let's see how it goes here. So we have come to the electronics store. We were just taking a look at this gear shifters. So this is a gear shifter and the pedals. You know, this is like a dream for every gamer. So this guy is afraid of escalators. Yeah, so like there's a lot of rush over here, and I don't think that you all might be able to hear most of what I speak. So that's why I'm not vlogging much. And like this is a pretty big mall, so it's going to take us like even 4-5 hours are just nothing over here. So like we'll just roam more. Yeah, so that's the mall, and now we took a rickshaw that will take us to the bus stop. Now, so right now we are on the lane where our bus will be coming. So we'll just go to have tea or maybe coffee or something like that because we just had burgers that too in the afternoon without breakfast. So we'll look for something nearby and have here only. So we have like ample of time. It's just 5:20. Our bus will be coming at 7 o'clock. Yeah. Yes. So we are going to a restaurant over here, maybe for tea or something. It's like showing that it's just like 100 meters from here. So we came to this restaurant and they gave us like some warm red color water. I don't know what it is. Yeah, so we ordered lassi. He ordered, I guess, Red soda and tea. So we are just looking what we can eat. Our phones are also on drips. We did not charge them since morning, so because of that. And I did not vlog much in the mall because there was a lot of rush today. I think it's because it is a Sunday. So yeah, we'll quickly order something. So this is quite mysterious for me. This is just red. So he is saying that this is rose water. This one is saying that it is iodine water. But I don't know what it is. I just taste. It just tastes like plain water. I don't know why the red color though. Yeah, so this is Ayurvedic water. It's in. We just asked the waiter, and this is lassi. So we ordered banana fry. Okay, so it's come here. Yeah, so we'll just have these things and then we'll wait for our train. So we have plain dosa and they are having bhaji puri. So I guess this is I don't know what this is called. I guess this is dal, chutney and sambar. Yes, so we had our tea. So now we have a bus journey for I guess 15 hours. We'll be reaching tomorrow at 12. So just thinking of the bus journey, only my head started paining. Bus is unbearable. Train is at least far better, and that too these are only semi-sitters, semi-sleepers. We did not get sleepers. There are no trains from Kochi. There are no buses from Kochi actually for sleepers. Yeah, so it's raining, so that's why we are just waiting here for some time. It's not like even 5 minutes that it rain, and Kerala is already this thing flooding. So that's like one chapel or maybe a cross. So our bus will come here opposite City Silk. So our bus is like delayed by I guess half an hour. So it's been like half an hour that we are waiting here. Like it's 7:30 right now. So we'll just wait for the bus. So yeah, so we sat in our bus now. So we have like 15 hours to reach Goa. I think we'll be totally exhausted by the time that we reach to Goa. My friend is already ready with his bedsheet. And this one is also off to sleep now. Yeah, so I don't want to speak loudly because it will disturb others also. So yeah, Goa is on now. I just hope and pray that we reach safely. Safely in the sense like because not faster. Faster is not possible. Yeah, safely in the sense like because we are like prone to motion sickness. That's why. Yeah, so our bus is here, and we stopped for a washroom break. So like it's a washroom and dinner break, but we had too much of lassi, so that's why we are full. So Malcolm is also going to the washroom actually. I think there are like it's just 8:45 now. So 1.5 hours we were in the bus. So yeah, there are more 13 hours to go. We'll embrace it. I hope we don't feel dizzy and all. That's the only thing. But besides that, I think we'll be good to go. Yeah, so like I'll sit in the bus now and wait for like the rest of the others because we are not having dinner. Yeah, so this guy has also come. So he was sleeping, but like I was awake because I wanted to go to the washroom. Yeah, so now we'll just get in the bus. Yes, good morning. It's 9 o'clock and our bus has stopped for a tea break, but we don't feel like taking tea. We'll directly get out at Margao or Chinchini and have tea. So there was no one sitting at this side. So I've peacefully slept, keeping my leg that side, and I have taken a good nap. Even Malcolm has taken a good nap. Huh? But April is, I don't know what happened to him. Yeah, so like but like it's showing that it's going to take us like 2 more hours to reach. We thought that this journey would be a bit difficult, but to our surprise, it was good. Like I spent most of the time sleeping, so I did not even know what happened. I just woke up once or twice to go to the washroom. Otherwise, I'm just sleeping. Actually, since we are sitting at the back, the bus is shaking a bit. Otherwise, it's very comfortable. And sleeping though, it's like awesome. And this one, see, just morning. He just woke up, but back to his addiction. Yeah, so like we'll just stay in and we'll get down at Margao. So right now we are in Kokolim, and we just asked our driver to drop us in Salzara only because that's a way closer to our home rather than going to Margao. And this guy is just waking up. After is also up. So yeah, like the bus is almost empty, like just 4-5 people are there. Yes, so we reached Goa. Finally we are down and we are at Sardwara now. We just asked our bus drivers to drop us here only, and my cousin will be coming to pick us up. So this guy is also very tired. So yeah, I think it will take him like around 10-15 minutes for him to come. Yes, so our cab driver is come now. Yeah, so like we are on our way back home. I think we'll just take something for breakfast and then we'll go. Yes, so we reached home. I had a bath also, and I started my work. So I got breakfast also while coming on the way home. So overall, it was a really good trip. I enjoyed it. 2 days were extra, so we went to Kochi also. We explored there. Explored that meaning we went to the mall. Overall, it was very good for me. I hope you all also like the videos, and if you all haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Till then, see you all in the next videos. Bye.